Genshin Impact Lisa's climbing voice in Japanese. Oh boy. I've never played this game, by the way. I don't know. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Why? Okay, if you removed the gameplay and slapped this onto anything that was slightly sexual, it would work. It would just work. These don't sound like climbing noises. This indeed does not sound like a climbing noise. This sounds like I just turned on Pornhub or some shit. What the fuck? What is this? No one sounds like this when they're climbing things. It doesn't even sound like you're climbing. It just sounds like she's getting fucked in the ass again. Or something else, like someone's giving her, you know? Oh my god. Why? Okay, if you removed the gameplay and slapped this onto anything that was slightly sexual, it would just work.